When you talk about speed, accuracy, and wireless network at a huge mass, then you also talk about 5G. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. So without wasting any of your precious time, let's get straight into the video. What is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation of wireless networking and is going to be way more faster, and to prove this point, let me show you some. 1G, which was introduced in 1980s, is the first generation of wireless cellular technology. 1G supports only voice call, which was a huge disadvantage in nowadays, and the maximum speed of 1G technology is 2.4 kbps. That is really a very slow speed. Then comes the 2G. This was the network which was more upgraded and better, because till 1G you can only make calls, but with 2G you can even send a text or an SMS. You can even, and the big point, it was also encrypted, which gives you an internet speed around 40 kilobytes per second, which was 20 times faster than 1G. Pretty huge difference. Year 2001, when 3G came in the stream, and boom, literally changed the entire stream, because 3G was one of those networks which brought an digitization revolution in the world. Because when Apple was launching its iPhone, due to the launch of 3G, it made a specific model with 3G capability and named it as iPhone 3G. And the speed of internet which comes with 3G was somewhere around 144 kilobytes per second to 400 kilobytes per second, which was 3 to 4 times faster than 2G. And this was the time when mobile market was at peak, because people wanted huge screens and faster networks. 4G. 10th April 2012 was the year when 4G was launched in India, and of course everyone knows who has bought 4G in India. 10th April 2012 was the year when 4G was launched in India, and this was the network digital revolution for India, because it was made in India and made for India. And taking it to another level, where we have its speed like 10 times faster and better than 3G. It enabled the users to stream YouTube and Netflix at 1080p, which is a huge advantage of 4G. And it has an outrageous speed performance between 4 to 12 Mbps. Now you guys must be complaining that Jio isn't that fast. I am talking about the actual 4G network, which is based in India and which can give you such a brilliant network between 4 to 12 Mbps. Moving upon 5G, the game changer. 5G has been the most awaited technology because it has the capability of changing the world. With 5G, you will be the guy in the business. We will be something like cyberpunk. Everything is connected on a specific network, which allows you to control and enhance the way you use the technology. Okay, let me break it down for you. Smart cities are basically going to be much smarter, as we know that every single sensor or tech gadget connected to a network, we need to be faster and accurate in collecting the data, where the 5G will be a game changer. For example, if you have a car and it's going to be entering in your society, and there's a barrier gate which is connected to a sensor. So if there is no human replacement there, then the particular program will detect a vehicle in front of you and open the barrier gate. Now that takes a couple of seconds, but this couple of seconds will also get reduced when 5G comes in business, because 5G completely lower downs the latency of reacting or giving up a result. 5G will be much faster in case of reacting to a sensor. Moving upon, we talk about driverless cars. According to the National Highway Traffic Administration, nearly 95% of traffic accidents are caused by human errors. Removing human from behind the wheel could save up to 1.25 million lives every year. But for driverless cars to be fully autonomous, they'll need to communicate with the cars around them to avoid accidents and minimize congestion. They need to talk to sensors embedded in the traffic lights, road signs, and pavement to navigate more safely. and they'll be needed to get response instantly, which is where low latency 5G network comes in. Only the specific network which is available in the world which gives you such good speed. Driverless infrastructure is in place, the streets may become less crowded, air less polluted. With fully autonomous vehicle, fewer people will own cars and ride sharing could become more common. The Boston Consulting Group predicts that this will slash the number of vehicles on the city streets by 60% and TP emission by 80%. Now we have tech medical. Trips to doctor's office may become as rare as an house call thanks to virtual visits enabled by low latency HD video call quality, wearable or implanted medical devices which will capture your vitals and transmit them to healthcare providers, allowing them to detect early warning signs of heart attacks, strokes, or other life threatening events. 5G will open the door to development in personalized anywhere, anytime medicine, says Dr. David Tees, professor at UC's Berlitz Haas School of Business. High-speed wireless network will also called telesurgery, where specialists in one hospital can control the equipment of another hospital through this 5G network. Now that sounds really futuristic, but trust me, it's gonna take a lot of time to be implemented everywhere. And this is it for today. If you like the video, then please hit the subscribe button and press on the like button. And if anything you think that I have forgot, then please write it down in the comment section. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.